Right, let's go over some of the details. You do have a little instruction inside. Pretty much tells you how to do noise cancellation and power off and on from the the actual transmitters. Okay. So once you have your transmitter and you have them out of your charge dock, it'll light up which microphone it's ready. So we take the other one. Should light up too. There it is. Very simple. And this is your syncing button, power button, which you have the two functions. If you press it once, this light turns on yellow. That means noise cancellation is on. Again, it's off. And then if you hold it for 2 seconds, you could turn off the actual mic itself. You have a magnet, so you can put it inside a shirt, which is pretty sweet. Okay, very, very small. I have small hands and these things are tiny. All right, and you also have your clip. You want to clip it. Okay, so both have the option. Now look at that, they're fighting with each other. All right, so this will go installed in this slot right here. You remove the little cap and then you could plug it into your phone. Okay. It also comes with the manual. You also download the app. Tells you pretty much all the steps. How to connect. If you're going to be using a camera, I'll show you now. It directly connects to the Osmo Pocket 3 and the Osmo Action 5 Pro. And like you've seen, and like you saw, it comes with these little windscreens, so you could put it on the mics. Okay. Here it tells you pretty much the indicators, what the buttons are for, and pretty much very simple. Okay.